This will sound mad, but every time I touch a plant, it's like I can feel what they're feeling.
Charlie, look at me, not the plant. Took a while to track you down.
Is she house trained?
Charlie!
This is my niece.
All right.
What is it with this place and pumpkins?
We're ready for the contest?
I'm going to win. My dad's entering the contest too.
You got much of a team?
I'm working on it.
That ain't mine, is it?
We snogged once at a school disco.
But what a snogger.
She's entering the pumpkin contest, wanted a few tips.
This ain't some grow-your-own-salad school project. This is all-out vegetable warfare.
You want to steal our secrets?
Release the hounds!
You really think plants feel things like us, don't you?
I do. This one's lonely.
I'm lonely, it's got me.
I don't know whether this thing of yours is real, but you brought us together. I can't thank you enough.
Here's to the good times, forget the bad times. These are the best days.
Ooh, well, that's unexpected.
Open up your eyes.
It's Charlie Little!
Here's to the best days of our lives.
Whatever happens, so proud of you.
These are the best days of our lives.
Go on then, Sensei. Let's see what your magical green fingers feel.
It's huge. You gotta grow hard or go home.
And now we must show our commitment to the new life that we are creating by having a wee on it.
Oh, that is enough crazy for one day. Thank you very much.